In this video, I will walk you through a comparison between AutoDS and Tradelle, two popular dropshipping tools. Both AutoDS and Tradelle helps you find winning products and add them to your online store. However, Tradelle only integrates with Shopify, while AutoDS supports multiple platforms like Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, WooCommerce, and many more. Tradle uses only its own marketplace for product sourcing, where AutoDS, on the other hand, lets you import products directly from various suppliers like AliExpress, giving you more flexibility. Inside Tradle, product costs are significantly higher. Meanwhile, the same thing on AliExpress is cheaper, almost half the price, and often with free shipping. Additionally, Tradell's shipping to Germany costs extra and isn't even particularly fast. With AutoDS, you can simply paste a product link from AliExpress, like click import, and automatically add it to your store. AutoDS also provides AI tools to optimize the titles and descriptions and includes stock and price monitoring. So you are notified if your supplier runs out of stock or changes pricing. In conclusion, while Tradell can help you discover trending products, I would not recommend using it for actual dropshipping due to high product markups. AutoDS is a far better choice, offering more control, cheaper products, and automation features that save time and protect your margins. So that's it for the comparison today. If this comparison helps, like, share, and subscribe.